Naipit ang gulong ng kotse ko sa putik.
I already stuck in the, what do you call that? I already stuck in the mud. Like
Oh,
that.
already stuck it. I. But it's a car. It's a kotse.
My car stuck in the mud.
My car, what again?
My car stuck
My car's stuck in the mud.
mud.
Most Filipinos will say, my car's tire was stuck up in the mud.
Ah.
It's wrong. It should be, my car's tire was stuck in the mud. You're right. Yeah.
I don't know
Yes,
the
but yes,
translation.
I just put was, but you can say my car's tire was stuck in the mud because it's already finished. Was.
There's no tire, but my
Yes,
car's
my car is okay. My car, but here, gulong.
but there's no was there.
Yeah, there's no
Because I
was.
know
But still,
my
you have that thinking that it's stuck. It's not stuck up.
I already said my car's stuck in the mud. I think it's wrong.
It's right, but it's still correct. Almost correct, right? My car's tire was stuck in the mud. Okay? Never ever use stuck up.
Stuck up just like already you.
Yes, you cannot. For example, there's you're using the screwdriver to loosen the screw. Usually, what will you
Yes,
say? Ah, stuck up na.
stuck up
Mali. It's stuck.
or I'm stuck.
You're stuck. There's no up.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
there's no up. Okay, all right.